First, we're going to start by showing you how to open the side of your baler. First thing you're going to do is twist this knob counterclockwise, pull out, then there's a button that you push in, and then it lifts up. This baler is equipped with an extra cut rotor and knife bed standing. This baler has a clear, intuitive monitor, which is the E-Link Pro. This baler produces a bale at the size of 4x5, and the recommended horsepower for this baler is 110. And if you're looking for a tractor to run your baler, I would recommend this 4707. It meets all the requirements to run the baler.